Oh man, this is so much more solid. Okay, do you struggle with your microphone boom in the sense that it's fairly reasonably priced and as a result, kind of flimsy, hard to move around, hard to work with, and you want to upgrade your studio? Pardon the background because this is the back of the studio here. Well, here is my answer for today, maybe. We're going to assemble it. This is from VEVOR, and this is their heavy-duty stand, which comes with these really heavy-duty casters. Let me put it together real quick and let's see if it's better than that. Oh man, this is so much more solid. Check this out. Look at the size of this hardware. Probably go all the way up to the ceiling with this. I don't need to in any way, shape, or form. I'm coming down here because I wanted you to see just how big and solid these casters are. And the locks easily ratchet in so you firmly know it is locked up and not going to move. This thing is crazy super solid. If you're looking for a great upgrade to get rid of the basic little one, get something that's nice and solid but still has a base that's on casters so you can move it around. I can move it back in the corner when I'm not shooting so we can play with the driving sim. But this is a great option. Can't possibly go wrong with it. Plus, when you add in a little bit of cool red anodized aluminum, hard to beat that. So if you're looking for a great option, this is definitely the way to go. If you want to get it, there's a link somewhere about here on the screen. Please use that. If that is not there, down there in the description, there is a link. Helps out the channel a little bit, doesn't cost you anything extra, so I'm gonna say thank you in advance. Remember to like and subscribe so they get more cool videos like this, and put in a comment. Do you think this is a total mess, or is this just what your studio looks like also? Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.